Hello! Uh-oh! Boom! Whee! Oh no! Badabing badabong badab. Uh-oh! Whoa! Let's go! Whee! Let's go! I'm tired. Oh my gosh! Oh no! The wheel is stuck. Must call rescue.
Help me!
Let's go!
Monkey Kiki!
Hello!
I'm here. Is your car stuck?
Oh, thank you. We are so grateful. Anytime, little guy. Bye-bye.
Let's go home together.
bring the apples to the market to sell.
Let's go.
Here we are at the market. Superstar!
Oh boy!
Hey! I want to buy this machine.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, you! Stop! What should we do now? Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
What?
Oh my gosh! So dangerous! I'm tired. Just pump the water up. Let's turn on the pump.
Huh?
We need to call for help.
Hello?
There's a crocodile in this river.
Mayday, mayday! Structure is unstable. We need extraction now.
Let's go! Hello?
You did very well. You're safe now. We'll wait right where the others arrive, okay?
Oh my gosh!
Let's go!
We got the wheel back. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Okay.
Let's go!
I'm tired.
Okay.
Hello?
Oh no!
Let's go!
Okay.
Let's go.
Badabing, badabong, badabong.
Okay, let's go.
Here we go!
Good luck.
Easy now, easy.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Badabing, badabong, badabang. wheel is stuck.
Okay.
Oh, no! I have to call for help.
We read you. Help me! Help me! The crane is prepped and we are rolling out now. ETA approximately 15 minutes.
Let's go!
Hey, I'm here.
Hello?
Thank you.
Bye.
Let's go home. Superstar! Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Monkey Kiki! I finished washing the car. Let's go buy a new hoe. Let's go! We've arrived. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. I'm tired. Let's just buy this one.
Okay.
Hello?
Let's go!
Oh my gosh!
No, are you okay?
Oh, no! What should I do?
I can't move anywhere.
There it is! We've got the chain to pull.
Hey, what's it taking so long?
Spaghetti meatballs and a pizza pie.
Let's go!
Are you okay?
Oh, no.
Let's go get the first aid kit. Superstar! Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Okay.
Are you okay? I'm tired.
Huh?
Let's go!
Huh?
Oh, no!
No, are you okay?
Get out.
Are you okay?
Let's go home together.
Let me wipe you off, okay? Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. I've finished showering. Oh no!
Get water. We have to put out the fire.
Monkey Kiki!
Bye-bye.
Finally, we can harvest.
Freshest tomatoes, right from the farm. Only 40 rupees today.
I'll take a kilo of the greens too.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
The audio is characterized by a lively market atmosphere, featuring the gentle hum.
Let's go!
I've got a gift for you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Monkey Kiki! Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Let's harvest the cabbages.
Look how fresh this cabbage is. I'll take 2 heads, please.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
These tomatoes are so good.
Oh my gosh!
I have to hurry home.
Let's go!
That's dangerous.
What?
Let's check what's wrong.
Oh no!
It's raining so hard, I have to think of a way.
I'm tired. Let's go! Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Oh my gosh!
What should I do now? Hello, Mr. Bear. Please come help me.
Sector 4, we have a confirmed sighting. The subject is moving quickly. ETA 5 minutes. Stand by for extraction.
Let's go! Hello?
I'm here to help you. Okay.
Let's go home. Time to wash the car.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
I've finished showering. Have you woken up?
Kitaki!
Oh no! Get water. We have to put out the fire.
Okie dokie!
Hello! I'm currently on my way to harvest cabbage.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no!
What the hell just happened?
Officer!
Hello!
Near the river! Help me! Help me! Okay.
Let's go! Hello!
Are you okay?
The whole shipment is ruined. He hit the boulder right there and everything went everywhere.
Let me give you a hand.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no!
Hey, what's going on? Looks like your car broke down. I can tow it back for you.
Hey, what's it taking so long?
Okay.
Oh wow, thank you so much! You fixed it perfectly!
Everything looks shipshape.